In this video lecture, we are going to see about the introduction to neural network and what the shallow network computes. What is neural network? A neural network is a computing system that is based on our biological neural network that makes up the human brain. Neural network are not based on any specific computer program written for it, but it can progressively learn by itself and improve its performance over time. So that is basically the difference between the traditional programming and the artificial intelligence or neural network. So in traditional programming, there is a particular accuracy that is achieved, whereas in the neural network, the accuracy can be actually improved by the algorithm itself. That is the main difference between the neural network and the traditional programming methods. A neural network is made up of collection of units or nodes called as neurons. Just like our brain that is made up of neurons, neural network is collection of units of or nodes called as neurons. These neurons are associated with methods for an association called as synapse, analogous to the biological neural network. So synapse, what it does in biological neural network is it transfers the signal from one neuron to the another neuron. So in neural network, artificial neural network, synapse is the association between two nodes or the neurons. The receiving neuron can receive the signal, process it and transfer the signal to the next one, and next neuron will process the signal and transfer to the another one. So likewise the signal from one neuron will get transferred to the another neuron. What are the applications of neural network? Main applications of neural network which we could see right now is computer vision. Computer vision means let just like how we see and process the image and we recognize the image, the computer will have camera. It takes the images and the algorithm in it will process the images and it will recognize the image, and also subsequently the image processing techniques will be used. And then pattern recognition or matching. So pattern recognition, for example, the data pertaining to healthcare data that will have the normal data, abnormal data. So normal data will have some pattern and abnormal data will have some pattern. That is called as pattern recognition. Just like a normal ECG will have a pattern and then abnormal ECG will have a different pattern. So the algorithm actually makes some decision based on the pattern recognition and matching. Natural language processing, which is widely used in many artificial intelligence based apps today, like Google Translation and then chatbots, right, where the inference is made by the algorithm from the languages, from English or any other language. So these are widely used applications of neural network. So neural network implementation. Nodes here represents neurons. Output of each neuron is a non-linear function. The non-linear function takes the sum of inputs of neurons, and synapses have weights that are associated with every input. Just like we saw in perceptron, x1 will have weight w1, x2 will have weight w2, likewise. So this weight controls the strength of the signal. Means, say weight associated with a particular input is 0, then that input will not get transferred, while the weight, if it is 1, the input will get transferred, right? So the weight decides the strength of the signal. Neurons are normally arranged in layers. So you can see this diagram. In this diagram, the blue color layers are the input layers, orange layers are the hidden layers, and the green color layers, input layers, orange layers are the hidden layers, and blue color layers are the output layers. So in between input and output there are some hidden layers, that is the orange color, those are called as hidden layers. It will have group of neurons actually connected, and the signals through the hidden layers will produce the output signals. So the signals move from different layers, including the hidden layer, and it goes to the output layer. Okay, fine. So this is just an introduction about neural network. In the next video, we will see about what a shallow network computes. Thank you.